Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to study transistors, contents, definition, types of transistor, applications, NPN transistor. Transistor. A transistor is a three-terminal semiconductor device formed by a sandwiching a layer of one type of semiconductor in between two layers of another type of semiconductors. This is the symbol of transistor, which consists of three terminals, that is emitter, base and collector, and which is actually it is seen like this. We will know the function of emitter. The section which supplies the charge carriers is called emitter. Emitter is always forward biased with respect to base. Collector. The section on the other side that collects the charges is called collector. The collector is always reverse bias. Its function is to remove the charges from its junction with the base. And last one is base. The middle section which forms two p-n junctions between the emitter and collector is called base. The base emitter junction is forward bias. Base allows low current for the emitter circuit. The base collector junction is reverse bias and provides high resistance in the collector circuits. Types: NPN transistor and PNPN transistor. We will know what is meant by NPN transistor. It is nothing but a three-terminal device and which consists of emitter, collector and base. Here the current leaves from base is NPN transistor. This is PNPN transistor, which consists of three terminals, emitter, base and collector. Here the current enters to the base. Applications: transistor is used as an amplifier and it is also used as a switch. Transistor is used in LED circuits, logic and digital circuits, and it is used in oscillator circuits. NPN transistor. When a layer of p-type semiconductor is sandwiched in between two layers of n-type semiconductor is called NPN transistor. This is the basic connection of NPN transistor. It consists of three terminals, emitter, base and collector. Here this is n-type and this is n-type. In between the p-type semiconductor is placed, so it is called as NPN transistor. First we will know how this will work. Here forward bias to the emitter base and the reverse bias to the collector base. The forward bias causes the electrons in the n-type emitter to flow towards the base. This contributes the emitter current. These electrons flow through the p-type base. They tend to combine with the holes as the base is lightly doped and very thin. Therefore, only few electrons combine with the holes to contribute the base current. The remainder cross over into the collector region to constitute collector current IC. Almost the entire emitter current flows in the collector circuit. Therefore, the emitter current is the sum of base current and collector current. This is how the NPN transistor works. Important questions asked: explain the working of NPN transistor and define the transistor and list the types. Thank you.